This is an actual tweet from PlanetWatch. PlanetWatch is mentioned in this hashtag Trade Talks episode on @NASDAQ by Jitin Varu, @Emirate Official CEO, as one of the hashtag Web3 real-life use cases they are helping deploy. Can you spot the Airquino Type 1 and the AtmoTube Type 4, AtmoTube Pro Type 4 in the room? ? Eyes emoji, hashtag IoT, $planet, hashtag crypto, hashtag smart cities.
Yanni and not you're talking about. That impersonation was terrible. How could you even do it? How dare you? Come on, man. Nerdy dude stuff.
For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer is brought to you by Germany. This is called Schofferhofer Hefeweizen Grapefruit Beer. This is 3.2% alcohol by volume. This is a juice. I call this my hangover beer, my breakfast beer, something like that, where if we're getting up and we're going to continue partying and we had a little bit too much the night before, this is kind of the go-to to get the party started again. This is, it's refreshing. It's juice. It's 3.2% alcohol by volume, so there's really none of that alcohol, burn taste or anything along those lines. It's just solid, juicy Hefeweizen with grapefruit and natural flavoring, and it's colored with beta carotene. Blech. But again, it's pretty solid, it's juicy, it's refreshing. I'm not really going to rate it on a scale just because I don't feel it qualifies in that beer environment. But if you've never tried it, it is a nice, juicy drink. So cheers to you guys.
Bink! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about PlanetWatch and the debacle going on with our Awair elements. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on the bell notification, and liking this video. Now, over the past couple of videos, we've kind of been stirring the pot with some information that we've gotten from PlanetWatch and from Awair about why they're not doing their relationship. I've been getting called every name under the sun. Totally fine, totally cool, spreading misinformation, FUD like that, when I'm just reading what I see on screen and giving my opinion and my thought. But today we're going to forego all of that because even though I'm being called a hypocrite for it, I am going to leave these devices plugged in. I have 4 of them. 5.4 planet tokens a day is still 5.4 planet tokens a day, more than 0. So what we're going to do today is we know that we have to direct these sensors directly to PlanetWatch, and we are going to go through that step by step in a learning experience. I have not done this yet, so we are going to do this as raw data. We've got one day to do it because on April 6th, it's currently April 4th, they're going to be completely stopping with the Awair side of things. So if you don't actually do these steps, you will not continue to maintain rewards. It is absolutely vital. You go through this and you direct your PlanetWatch devices or your Awair devices at PlanetWatch for your continued daily passive income. So it's going to be raw. There's going to be mistakes to be made. This is going to be a learning experience, but at the end of the day, you watch the channel to learn things. I do the channel to learn things, so we are going to learn together. With that said, let's jump over to the computer screen and get the fun times started. So the first thing that I'm going to direct us to is going to be this Reddit post. One of my subscribers sent this directly to me on Discord, and I completely ignored the update email that was sent by PlanetWatch just because I already have this Reddit link. Now, another subscriber just informed me that the link that is in the PlanetWatch email on how to do this is completely wrong in their contingency email, and it takes you to the wrong part of GitHub. So he said that it was easy for him just to follow this Reddit post as well. So we are going to go through this and work together and edit and clip and all that stuff to get something smooth to you. So this is a tool that someone has pushed out for this, and this is what pretty much everyone has been using. So I pushed the tool out for data retrieval for the most part, blah, blah, blah. The most interesting part I found while tinkering with smart home, blah, blah, blah. We're not going to go over any of that, but please be gentle. You have questions, but I can not answer them for everyone as I focus, blah, blah, blah. So what we need to do, instructions, step-by-step, downloading, installing, connecting, and running your Awair elements. Go to the GitHub repository. So we're going to click on that to open up a link. Click on the tag flag on the right side of version. So let's see. Click on the tag flag on right side of version. So I think we just grab this. All right, blah, 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 blah. So if you don't want to, if you just want to go easier, you could scroll down in this Reddit post a little bit lower, and you'll see here, you could just use the direct link right here. You click on that, which I clicked on right here. Oh, no, it's this one right here, which will take you to second release. I'm sorry, I don't have it in nighttime mode on this computer, which dark mode, which this is gross to my eyes, but we'll get through it. So we have this pulled up, which it says that we need. They will explain here. So first you want to download the v2.exe and run it. Your antivirus will probably not like it. They use Avast, but after checking files, sees it's malicious and lets it install. It is not malicious, and it'll let it install. This step might be different per user, side software, window version, antivirus, whatever. So maybe you need to allow it whilst it or something similar. After it is installed, you should have the icon on the desktop to start it. So now start it. So what we want to do is go back to the second release page, and we want to download v2.exe. So here we've got it downloading right now. It's going to take a second. It's 81.7 megabytes. We're going to click on it to open. And let's see what happens. Yeah. All right, so yep, antivirus is saying it doesn't want to do it. We're going to go ahead and do more info and run anyway. So here we go. We are running it. Bink. Now we have our Awair uploader running. Let's see if we have a desktop icon. Yep, we have a desktop icon right here. And we're going to let that pull up while it continues to load. Great time for a sip of beer. Let's read what our next steps are while we're waiting for this to load. We are going to scoot this over on a second screen just to keep an eye on that loading while we go step by step. All right. After it is installed, you should have an icon on the desktop. Now start it. Here comes that one glitch, which I could not fix last minute. Tried the best I could, but before delaying the release further, please bear in first version with the issue. It should load the PlanetWatch login. If it does not and gets stuck, you need to go to the View tab and do force reload until it moves onto the PlanetWatch screen. So ours isn't doing that. So it says go to View, and then it says force reload, or you can do Control Shift. There we go. All right. So now we have our PlanetWatch login. So let's see what's next. You are there. You log into your PlanetWatch account. You are in the tool. Now you need to get your Awair tokens. Getting tokens from app, not recommended, better from browser, less bugs. Open your Awair home application, click one of your sensors and press Awair plus Awair APIs, beta, cloud API, get API token. Let's get that started. So we are going to move this off screen so that way we can log ourselves in real quick, put in our information and our password. Good, it wasn't going to show even if I accidentally put it on screen. I'm going to hit remember me and sign in. So now that we are signed in, we could see here that we've got add sensor, list of sensors. We've got available sensors, which are these right here, these ones that are linked to our account. Let's see what our next step is going to be. Open your Awair home application. Let's see. So they said it's better to do that on a browser. Not recommended, better from browser, less bugs. So let's see how we do that. Awair. Let's just go to get Awair. We'll go this way. We're going to the main page. Let's see, where's my login? Login to enterprise dashboard. I think this is where we were having issues before. Login. Yeah, okay, so I think it might be easier just for us to actually do go through and send these API keys to us. So what we're going to do is click on one of your sensors, press Awair Plus. Once you have clicked the Get API token, you will be able to insert the Awair home credentials, then you'll be able to grab the token, etc. Getting tokens from your browser. Oh, I should have done that. Go to developer.getawair.com, log in with your Awair account. So we're going to click on that here. Hit sign in up top, I believe. Let's see, let's move this over here. And I am actually going to pull up the app because the app does have the information on what I logged into, and you want to make sure that matches correctly. I don't know if I did this on my phone or not, the correct, yeah, it should have. All right, so what is our account name here? That's what I thought. I did use a different email for the Awair, so logging into, make sure you use the correct email that you logged into your Awair with. So we are signing in over on the screen over there, take my word for it, never. All right. So, and now I'm not going to pull this up on screen, but I do have access token, and it's got my access token credentials. So if I had to copy and paste anything, we'll do it off screen. Log in with your first Awair account. First tab, left, access token. So on the top left, we're going to move that just to the side so you can kind of see it maybe. So on the top left, you should be able to see that now. You'll see access token. Once you have access token, copy and paste the API token, which you will have the API token on that screen. We're going to copy and paste, Control-C that. And then we are going to paste the token into this field. So manager sensor, and we're going to pull that up. Add sensor right here. So let's go ahead and move this over just real quick. Paste it right there and search. And now we're going to delete that. Oh, crap. We can't delete it. Okay, so I guess we're going to show you guys everything. So we have everything here. Of course, we just blurred it out up top so you can't see it. But now we have our 4 sensors, our available sensors there. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the next step is. Once you add your sensor, press this blue icon, press add your token after it found the Awairs. Repeat from step 3 for each Awair that you have in your account. So we are going to do this. We are going to add token. It's going to add all of our sensors there. And now you can see that we have all the devices right here, and they are good to go. And now we are probably going to be receiving the stream, so we'll keep updated on that. And that should give us our daily rewards continuing, since now we are sending our Awair streams directly to PlanetWatch. You can see the timing right there as well. Remember, you need to have your PC with this on running 24/7 to get all these. So the good here is that I didn't actually have to go to all 4 locations, well, the 3 other locations, to do this. This just pulled up all of my Awair elements that are on my Awair element account and directly imported them into PlanetWatch to continue receiving those rewards. So obviously we'll want to check back at 24 hours to make sure we continue to get those rewards. So it's actually very simple. I don't think I could foobarred much of it, so that's pretty good. Anywho, that's going to do it for today's video as we prepare for our live stream here in a couple of hours, so stay tuned and follow along if you want to see that. We do that every Monday and probably going to be adding some more. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, rewatch this video. Super simple. If I, skipped a step, which I don't think I did at all, you should be able to follow that, and have your Awair elements sending the data streams to PlanetWatch to continue getting that daily passive income, no matter how small or large that may be. Otherwise, you can reach out to me on Discord, Telegram, Twitter, anything like that for more questions. I'm going to show the community on Discord how to do this to make it easier for them. But other than that, please take a moment to consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, commenting down below, maybe becoming a channel member so we can do YouTube full time, all that good stuff. I'm O'Prius, and we'll see you guys next time.
Oh, hey guys. We also stream over on Twitch, so if you want to hang out and join us, link in the description. You can follow us, twitch.tv/nerdydudestuff1. Really love to see you guys over there. And also other social media information is in the description of this video. So we'll see you guys next time.